Hello guys, today we have this Yamaha keyboard PSR 3000. It has a problem with the power. It's totally dead. I already plugged to the DC adapter, and when we push, and it's totally dead. So I'm gonna try to check this keyboard. Maybe I'm gonna open and let's see if there's any failing parts or components. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, first we need to check the adapter. This is a Yamaha DC adapter. Make sure the output is correct. Writing here, output is 16 volt, 2.4 ampere. I'm gonna use my multimeter and I'm gonna set to the DC testing. This is DC. This is the symbol for the DC volt testing. So usually the middle is a positive with the red color and the outside is the negative. So when we test, it is showing 16.3. So the adapter is still good. It is showing 16, same like stating in the adapter, 16 volt. Yeah, the adapter is still good. Let's go on to the next step. Okay, like usual, I always make a simple drawing for the screws placement because sometimes the screws are different from one to the others, from the size and the diameter. This is helping me a lot when I arrange all the parts back together, so I don't forget where the screws were belong to because of the size differences. And I'm using this double tips, and I will put my screws here. Now it's very sticky. Okay, this is my simple drawing for a screws placement. Let's unscrew all the screw here. Okay, this keyboard I put in the holding stand, metal holding stand, and I flip back the keyboard. But you need to remember the downside must not touching the buttons. If you can see here, we have two standing rod here. Make sure the standing rod is not pushing the backside button. Okay, let's open this. Be careful, we have a cable attached. This is very heavy because of the speaker. The speaker is very heavy. See, there are two cable attached. Okay, we need to unplug this. This one. This is flexible cable. Okay, this is our Yamaha PSR 3000 after we open the cover. This is the main board covered with the metal sink, and this one is the power supply, the brown one. This is the power supply. Okay, let's open this cover because I want to open the power supply. The socket also I'm gonna marking A. You can open this. This one no need to mark. This one I need to mark. We have two main boards here. Maybe I only need to open this one, so the power supply I can remove. Maybe this one is for B. This is also B, and this is for C. C. B, C. Maybe this one will be D. D. And this is E. And also the socket I will marking D. This is E. Then we can unplug. Also this flexible cable. This bracket is blocking the power supply, so maybe we have some screws here. Yeah, this one connected to here. I'm gonna try to open these screws also. We forgot one screw here. Also this side. Okay, now, yeah, it's easy to open now. See, the down there is the power supply. I need to check the power supply. There are so many cables here, you need to make a notes and marking. Okay, we have the power supply board out. I'm gonna check this. Is there any failing components? ICs. We have two ICs here. Okay guys, I'm gonna check this power supply board from the Yamaha PSR 3000. This is the power supply unit. And I already opened the backside cover. And I'm gonna check the physical appearance, and I'm gonna check the continuity and everything. So the first thing I'm gonna check is the DC input jack. So I'm gonna check with my multimeter with this diode and continuity test, and this is our jack input. The I don't know, the continuity is not stable. See, it's on and off. See, it's on and off. Maybe I'm gonna resolder this legs, the positive legs. Or maybe corrosion going on here inside the pin. Maybe I'm gonna resolder this and clean the soldering joint. And maybe I'm gonna sandpaper this positive input jack. I think it's a little bit corrosion there, rust and corrosion there going on. I'm gonna spray this with WD-40 or other oil lubricant or contact cleaner. Okay, let's put some flux paste. And we're gonna resolder this joint. Maybe it has a corrosion or cracking joint. So the connection is on and off in this section, especially this positive connection from the pin, the input adapter pin. So I'm gonna use this soldering wick. Oh yeah, we have a broken plate there. So that's why the connection is on and off. So yeah, we have a broken, that's why the connection is on and off from the positive legs. And I think we need to fix this. Okay, before we are fixing this, I want to clean this soldering flux paste, so it will be easier for me or more clearly for me to fix the trace. I'm using alcohol and cotton bud. This is our broken trace pad. I'm gonna remove this broken trace pad and we're gonna clean this first. So yeah, I'm planning to connect the trace. This is the green one is connected to this broken plate pad. Maybe I'm gonna scratch a little bit this green section, or we could use a wire to jumper this connection. Okay, maybe I'm gonna scratch this a little bit. Okay, maybe I'm gonna glue this. Okay, I think it's done. Let the glue dry for a while. Maybe later we will connect this joint. Okay, let's connect this separate pad or trace. Okay, let's test with the multimeter. With the diode and continuity test, we check the connection here to here. Okay, now it's connected. It's firm now, the connection from the jack into this one. Okay, I guess we solved the intermittent connection. Before that, the pad is separate into two pieces. Okay, let's try this. Let's put inside the keyboard and make a test. And let's see how it works. Okay, after we are finished installing the power supply and the main board, and this is the inverter for the display. It's time for me to test before I put the cover on. This is for the sound card, and this one is for the speaker. We can plug in later after we are testing. Okay, we already plugged the Yamaha adapter PA300. Okay, let's plug to the power. And where is the power button? This one. Let's press. And yeah, we have the Yamaha logo there. And yeah, all the LEDs is working again. Okay, I guess I fixed this keyboard. Let's put the cover on and plug the speaker and the song style card, flexible cable. Okay guys, we are done fixing this keyboard. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. And again, thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye bye.